Hey everybody, it's TaiG back here with another video, and in this video guys, I'll be showing you the top 5 Cydia tweaks of this week. So I did do this video in the morning, but it didn't turn out to be as good as it takes, so I'm doing a remake for that. So thumbs up for that for sure, and without any further delay, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's kick this off with a very nice Cydia tweak called Record Pause. Now basically what Record Pause does, it allows you to pause your videos while recording. Yes, this is not a built-in feature inside iOS, I don't know how, but let's take a look at what this looks like. So basically, let's say I'm recording a video like this, and I want to pause the video, so basically what I'm going to do is tap on the timer up here, and it will turn yellow. That means it's now paused. As you can see, the clock's no more moving, and if I tap on it back again, it will complete the recording. So let's see how will this turn out at the end. Like this, and I want to pause the video, so basically what I'm going to do is tap on the timer, and if I tap on it back again, it will complete the recording. So yeah guys, you get the point. You can pause your videos while recording. So this is a very nice tweak that adds this really cool feature, and again guys, it's called Record Pause. So there's a very annoying thing that happens with most of the cell phone users nowadays. Let's say you want to show your friend a photo that you have inside the gallery. So you hand them the phone and, hey, check out this cool photo. And then after they look at the photo and whatever, they start annoyingly swiping left and right and going all over your gallery. This surely happened with most of you. It happened with me, and I want to put an end for this. So the next week, private viewing fixes this. So basically, if you tap on the lock button right here next to the share button, if you tap on that, now this person is locked inside this photo. So he can no longer swipe left or right, and even if he wants to get out of this, he'll have to press the done button, which is protected with a passcode if you wanted it to. Of course, the passcode, you can set that inside settings. I'll show you that in a second. So I've set mine to 5245, and then by clicking on done, as you can see, he can swipe again. So yeah guys, this is private viewing, and let's take a look at the preferences. As you can see here inside settings, you have the private viewing. You have two switches up here, one for photos and one for messages. So yeah guys, this works for messages as well. And if you go right here, there will find another switch called enable passcode, so you can enable that, and of course set a passcode from right here as I showed you earlier, and you can have a vibrate feedback if you wanted it to. So yeah, this is simply it, and this is again guys private viewing, and it's a very useful Cydia tweak. Dockware allows you to have the dock visible inside applications, and allows you also to hide and evoke the dock on your springboard. So this is how it looks if you have the dock enabled, and this is the normal look. But let's say you invoke the action using an activation gesture, which I'll show you how to set in a second. So basically I've set mine to double tap on the status bar. So if I double tap on the status bar, there you go. The dock disappeared. There's no more dock, and actually this looks pretty nice, and I'm keeping this. And if you double tap it again, it will come back in. You can set the animation, and let's take a look at what happens inside settings. So let's say I'm gonna double tap on the status bar again. So I'm gonna double tap, and as you can see here, the dock appears, and it will hide it by itself after 4 seconds, and you can set that, of course, and you can set that up to 10 seconds from settings. So basically, if you go to the preferences of Dockware, you could go here to the D, and you'll have 3 important sections. This is the home screen app behavior, the in-app behavior, and the activation method. So these two, the home screen behavior and the in-app behavior, basically allows you to control the behavior of the dock and how it shows up, and they are quite similar actually. So I'm just going to go to the home screen one, and it has an additional one, which is the normal and inverse. Basically, if you click on inverse, this will allow the dock to be the one that is visible all the time, and the apps the one that you can hide and enable. So this one is really neat. As you can see here, the dock is up, and if I double tap, there are no more apps. And this is very nice actually. It's like you're having a menu for your applications. So if I evoke that again, as you can see, it gets it. So if you like that, you can keep it, and of course you can return back to normal, and you can set the behavior to squeeze, push, overlay, set the animation in and the animation out, and of course choose the timer for the auto hide. And of course, if you go to the in-app behavior, you'll have a quite similar look, plus an additional one for the blacklist. You can choose applications that you don't want this to work inside. And for the final section, you'll find activation method, where inside you can toggle what will be the activation gesture to enable or disable dockware. So for me, as I said earlier, it's double tap on the status bar. So yeah, and the fourth one's just an about section. So yeah, this is dockware, guys, and it's a very nice Cydia tweak. YouTube to MP3 allows you to change or to convert YouTube videos into an MP3 files. So this is a very useful if you want to download a song and import it to the music library, and if it's inside a YouTube video. So I'll show you a quick tutorial of what I mean right here. So basically, down here you'll find 4 tabs with search, converter, music, and news, and up here you find a search bar where you can search YouTube. So let me search real quick for a song that I want. So I'm going to search for Jigsaw by Project 46, and for some reason I cannot find this on the iTunes store, and yeah, it's really bothering because this song is amazing. It's a track, actually it's not a song, because it doesn't have actual words inside it. So if you start searching right here, oops, I don't have Wi-Fi enabled. Alright, so I've got Wi-Fi enabled again. So if you click on search here, this will appear the list of the videos, and by tapping on the video, you'll have 3 options, and this is convert to MP3, preview, and if you tap on convert to MP3, you'll go to the converter right here and find it converting, and after it's done, you'll go to the music, and you'll find it right here standing, and by tapping on it, you can listen to that, and of course, you can add that to the iPod. So it's a very, very nice tweak, and again, guys, this is called YouTube to MP3. Alright, so the final tweak here, guys, is called audio recorder, and this does not record the audio in your information. This does record calls, and this is the officially working call recorder for iOS 8. So beware, this is illegal in most countries, so just be careful. I told you, I've warned you. So audio recorder is a call recorder. Basically, if you go into the settings, you can set everything for this. So let me just go right here and go to the preferences of audio recorder, and as you can see, you've got up top a kill switch and then an option for record calls. So you can record all calls automatically, or only the incoming calls, or only the outgoing calls, or you can manually do that by tapping on a switch that will be up here inside a call. So I cannot really preview this right now. You could play a warning audio message which will actually warn you that it is recording this call. There you can play peep sound, and that's pretty much it. And basically, after you finish the call, you'll find it saved inside the standalone app, which I was previewing earlier. So if I go here to audio recorder, and right here you'll find your calls saved, and you'll have 3 taps for all incoming calls and outgoing calls, and of course you can tap on any of them and you will listen to them, and the voice is clear, your voice and the caller voice, everything's gonna be clear. So I told you guys, this is illegal in most countries, so beware. So yeah, guys, this is audio recorder, and this was the final tweak of the list. So be sure, if you did find this video helpful and you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and jailbreak videos like this. And if you did enjoy this video, subscribe for more. As I said, I'm repeating the words. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Check out our other jailbreak top 5 list, which I'll be putting down below in the description. I'm talking a lot. Thank you.